for a moment. Not quite sure what happened to 4, but it doesn't matter. We'll try and keep you abreast of what's happening down on mat number 4. I did mention Elio Verde. Well, I wasn't quite sure that we were going to get this closer look at him, but here he is anyway. It's Verde in the blue judogi, just coming under attack there from Chien. Uchimata, and then a Sumigaeshi attempt from Chien. He managed to slip away from the attempted Osaiwaza from Verde. Not quite able to take advantage of that failed Sumigaeshi attempt. Elio Verde has picked up the single Shido at the moment. The advertising, by the way, in the background you can see is for the World Championships. They'll be held in Tyumen in Russia later this year. So look forward to your company then. It's towards the end of the summer. End of August. I'll give you the dates a little bit later on. But we've got plenty of judo for you before then. It's that last week in August, beginning the 25th, around that sort of time. That's what we're looking at, as far as the World Championships are concerned. Before that, we're going to be in Tyumen for the Grand Slam. World Championships are in Chelyabinsk, in Ulaanbaatar for another Grand Prix. There's also a small matter of the Commonwealth Games, if you're interested. We'll hopefully be able to tell you a little bit about that later on, although I think that that's going to be on your regular terrestrial television rather than something that we're going to bring. No score yet. Chien still threatening with the Uchimata Sumigaeshi combination. A bit desperate there from Chien, but still attacking. It was a Koji Makikomi that Verde saw coming and managed to stay upright and not get caught. Ojigari right-sided from Chien. Nice movement from Chien. He just manages to cause problems for Verde with his movement. Difficulty for Chien is that Verde appears really strong. I mean, physically strong. Just not sure that the man from Chinese Taipei has got the kind of physical strength needed to fight Elio Verde off for another minute and 20 odd seconds. No, he didn't. Verde manages to catch him. There was just something in those last couple of exchanges that suggested that Chien was looking that little bit more desperate in his attacks, and they were They weren't threatening. They weren't threatening Verde. He looked as though he had the situation under control and almost puts his man over again. Well, he does, Yuko this time. And it was Verde's physical strength that really did for him here.
Next fight of Mark 2. First round for men under 60 kilograms. In white for Japan, Takato Naofisa. In blue for Mongolia, Tsendoshi Tsopata.
He's just a little bit stronger than Chien. For me, that made the difference. We're going to go down to mat number 2 now. And the reason that we're moving down to mat number 2, Takato Naofisa of Japan faces